Hey guys, I got this one big pile of different shirts, and as you can see I have to fold all of them. But no worries, I will show you how to do it in a very short amount of time. First, let's move everything to the side and let's get down to the business. Take one shirt and lay it on its back like this. Now let's draw an imaginary line between the top and the bottom somewhere around here. Imagine that this is a line, and let's draw another line between the center and the edge of the shirt somewhere around here. So basically right here there will be point A, point B, point C. Grab this point A with your left hand, grab the point B with your right hand, grab the point C with your right hand, and now just quickly unfold your arms. But I will show it in a slow motion like this. Lay your shirt on a table like this and just fold it. Correct it a little bit, and there you have it. Perfect. Now this method works with the polo shirts, t-shirts, or any other type of shirts that you got laying around. Nice! So next time you see this big pile of shirts, don't be intimidated. Use this technique, attack it, and get it done. Now let's see in real time how much time do I need to fold all of these shirts. Perfect! Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.